Welcome to the 20 by 30 Premier One pole tent installation video. Shown here are the pole tent components required to set up a 20 by 30 Premier pole tent. Place stakes approximately 4 feet from the perimeter grommet locations. Each corner location requires 3 stakes. 2 stakes will be set 90 degrees apart and a third stake at 45 degrees. Drive all stakes into the ground vertically until approximately 6 inches of the stake is left exposed. Each stake location requires 1 ratchet. To attach to the tent stake, turn the loop at the end of the ratchet inside out and pull the strap through the loop to create a noose and pull tight over the stake. Unfold the drop cloth to cover the desired location of the tent. Always use a drop cloth. Be sure all areas are covered to prevent damage and/or dirt from touching the tent top. Place 1 pole at each grommet location. Step 1. Place the tent top on the drop cloth and unroll and unfold. Do not stand or walk on tent top fabric. Pull the perimeter of the tent as tight as possible. The tent top center will not be tight or lay flat due to the peaks of the tent. Step 2. Attach the ratchet straps to the tent and assemble the ratchet buckle. Take the strap from the tent and pull it through the rear bar slot of the ratchet and pull the strap back towards the tent. Hold the strap at this point with one hand and begin to crank the ratchet handle back and forth with the other hand until the rail bars have turned at least 2 times and traps the webbing strap. This eliminates a chance of slippage. Step 3. The tent's corner poles are now ready to be erected. Insert the pole pin through the metal L ring in the brass grommet. Be sure the pole pin goes through both holes. If done improperly, the pin can puncture the tent top fabric and create holes. Raise corner pole to its upright position. Tighten ratchets to keep erect. Repeat this step for all remaining corners. Step 4. Assemble the center poles. Step 5. The 20 by 30 Premier One pole tent requires 2 center poles. Insert the first center pole pin through L ring and brass grommet assembly. Be sure not to pinch or puncture the tent top fabric. Lift the center pole into an angled position. Step 6. When the tent fabric is elevated and no longer touching the ground, the drop cloth can be removed. Step 7. Insert the second center pole through L ring and brass grommet. Lift the pole into a vertical position. Secure center pole with a jump rope for added safety. Step 8. Lift second center pole into its vertical position and secure with the jump rope. Step 9. Loosely install the side poles while tightening all corner ratchets until the corner poles are vertically straight. Work your way around the tent, loosening and tightening the corner ratchets until the desired effect is achieved. Tie the jump rope at each pole location to safely secure the pole to the tent top. Step 10. Secure the side poles by tightening ratchets at each location. Step 11. Finish the tent by rolling excess ratchet straps into the ratchet buckle handle. The tent setup is now complete. If sidewalls are desired, clip the sidewall snap hooks to the rope line that is attached to the tent top. 20 by 30 Premier One pole tent strike procedure. Step 1. Loosen side pole ratchets and remove the secondary side poles. Step 2. Loosen and angle the center poles. This relieves the tent top of unnecessary tension. Step 3. Roll out the drop cloth underneath the tent top until it reaches the first pole. Step 4. Remove the center pole. Step 5. Continue to unroll the drop cloth until it meets the remaining center pole. Step 6. Remove the final center pole. Step 7. Loosen corner ratchets and remove corner poles. Step 8. Disconnect all ratchet buckles from the tent top. Step 9. Fold and roll the tent top as tight as possible. Remember, do not stand or walk on tent top fabric. Step 10. Bag the tent. Lay the bag next to the top with the side release buckle facing the ground. Roll the tent top onto the center of the bag. Connect the two male and female side release buckles shortway first and pull tight. Join the remaining side release buckle and pull tight. Step 11. Fold and roll up the drop cloth. This concludes the 20 by 30 Premier 1 pole tent strike procedure. For more information or to order online, please visit our website at gettent.com.